Yeah. So let's give Shahid the mic for a second. He hasn't spoken about the issue.
I actually already have one. So. I think what Shah Rukh Bhai is saying is wonderful. I think what you need to start with is with yourself. I think the process needs to start within. This is basically a platform to make people aware, which is wonderful. But what usually happens is that once this gets over, people will forget about it and move on in life. And that's not something that we should stop doing that now. And we all do it. I do it. I mean, I see something on television and by the next day I've forgotten about it. I think what's important is to recognize that this is a reality which is going to come and hit us anytime. I think, you know, we call it Mother Nature. We've been taking a lot from the mother. It's time we give back a little bit. It's a force which is extremely powerful. It's a force which is well beyond what any of us can imagine. And before it needs to remind us that we should not take it for granted, I think we should start taking some steps in that direction. Yes, the use of plastic is harmful, but it is also a practicality. It's a reality. But I think what's important is to start measuring how much we are taking things for granted. I think it's important to start stepping back slowly. I don't think you can go from fifth gear to neutral and expect the car not to, you know, turn over. But you need to stop accelerating at least. Try and think practically, not take things for granted. So yes, and I would like to thank you all for calling me here. So it's a wonderful thing that you all are doing. And if this can help even one person change, I would feel happy. If this can help me change, I would feel we've made a beginning. You've already done so much. And yeah, I think it's time to stop taking Mother Nature for granted.
What is heartening, frankly, is the younger generation like you kids are much more involved in environmental issues, much more motivated. Something in your DNA. It's like...
No, I think it's also because, you know, we've started seeing the climate change.
Right.
You see it around you. You see the kind of adverse effect that taking the environment for granted has had. Maybe at your time, things you wouldn't see a lot of stuff that's happening right now. I think something like El Nino, for example, is something which has happened in the last 15 or 20 years. I hadn't heard of it before that. So I think we just...
You've got 75 years to live, so 70 things could
Another
be...
75?
At least,
really?
yeah, at least, sorry. Yeah, because life expectancy will also go up.
Yes, yes.
So in 75 years, things... Sorry?
Doctor, it may not be true. Some of these film stars have plastic surgery. Many of them are in their 80s. We don't know.
Sure.
Cyrus, you might have had a couple of plastic surgeries for all we know.
Maybe we're having a really nice discussion.
Talking about climate change,
yes,
there are people in Hollywood who are great proponents of action on climate change.
yes, Leonardo DiCaprio.
And yes, Leonardo is one of them, James Cameron.
Yes.
I'd like to request you, ladies and gentlemen, to take the lead.
Yeah.
Because I really think we need icons like you to convert those who believe that there's no such thing as human-induced climate change.
Sure.
And I'm so happy to hear that you've said you see it all around you.
Yes, absolutely.
And yet we don't get convinced. So I'd like to request some of you to become...
You can just like spread the...
No, I think
whatever
what
you feel.
Priyanka is doing is wonderful. The fact that you've associated with this huge platform that has been created is wonderful. So congratulations. And I'm glad that she called me and she said that she'd want me to participate. In a way, I have contributed in whatever little way that I could. So I'm happy to be here. This is a beginning, and I think it's a wonderful thing that's happening. And yes, every opportunity that we get, one would definitely. Yes, it would be.
Yes, and talking about contributions, we have 7.28 crores, 364 villages.
364.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.